Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. So I found a recipe. It's called cinnamon roll in a cup. And all the ingredients are a half a teaspoon, a tablespoon, a quarter teaspoon. So literally, we're making a cinnamon roll in a cup for one person, for me. So I can't wait to show you. Let's get started. So first, you get yourself a little bowl, and this is half a tablespoon of butter, melted butter. This is 1 teaspoon of brown sugar and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I'm going to add that. And I'm going to mix this together. Okay, so I had to zap it in the microwave for about 15 seconds, and here we go. Just set this to the side. Right here, I have a mug. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This is 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. So now let me show you what I have. I have a quarter teaspoon, and then this says a tad. Basically, the recipe says 1/8 of a teaspoon. So basically, half of this. So that's how I'm going to measure this. So right here, I have a quarter teaspoon of baking powder and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt and ground cinnamon. I'm going to add that to my cup. This is 2 tablespoons of milk. And this is half a tablespoon of melted unsalted butter. I forgot to tell you, I am only using unsalted butter in this recipe. And now we just mix it together. Now I'm going to bring in my cinnamon brown sugar mixture. And remember, just zap it in the microwave if you need to. Okay, now I'm just going to mix this together. Now right here I have 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of milk. And this is going to be my icing. I'm just going to mix all of this together. So now I'm going to cook my cinnamon roll for 1 minute. Here's my cinnamon roll, and you know when it's done when you put a toothpick in it and it comes out clean. I had to cook it 1.5 minutes, okay? So originally the instructions are 1 minute. It just depends on your microwave. So now I'm going to add my little icing. Oh my goodness, yummy. Okay, so look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness. I gotta taste this. Okay, you guys, I gotta taste this. Okay, here you go. This is good, okay? It has all the flavors of a cinnamon roll. This is really good. It's good. Cup of coffee, I need it. With this, that'll be great. Cinnamon roll in a mug. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time.